Mechanization could help Kenyan farmers boost productivity and earnings by enabling them to cultivate more land and improve efficiency. Banks are now partnering with automotive dealers to boost acquisition, which will streamline financing. Kenya's agricultural mechanization rate stands at about 30%, according to the government, despite farmers facing rising labor and input costs, increasing pressure to produce more from available land.
Let's celebrate. There's a party. It's time to come.
Elsewhere,